Bento boxes are all the rage these days. It's easy to see why. Especially when you are dealing with picky eaters, they are an easy, green way to store lunches for your kids. Understandably, there are a lot of choices out there. The best ones give you enough space for everything and hold your food securely.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best bento boxes for kids. So let's get started. Number 5. Itopor Bento Box. If you are looking for something that is a bit more environmentally friendly, the Itopor might be a good choice. Instead of regular plastic, they use biodegradable wheat fiber plastic. It latches on all 4 sides to contain your food and keep it from leaking. The 3 compartments are a good size for any age. You can put the lid and the tray in the microwave to reheat the food. The Itopor Bento Box is also a small, portable size, so it is easy to carry for small kids. For under $20, it is also a great price. If you like to use soups for lunch, this bento box is not a good choice. So it is not exactly leak-free as it claims. There are also occasional issues with the food moving into different compartments. You might do better with the lunchbox if you are someone who does not use food with a soupy consistency. Number 4. East World Lunch Box. The East World mashes up the bento box and lunch bag, so that you don't have to get one separately. There is a compartment in the bag to keep a freezer pack against your bento box, making everything stay fresh. Each of the 6 sections is hermetically sealed so you don't have to worry about any leaking, even for soup. The East World Lunch Box comes with 2 sporks and a freezer pack, while still being comparable in price to other boxes without those extras. Because of its seal and latches, it can be hard for very young kids to open and close. The compartments are also a bit too small for the older ones. Number 3. Bizz Bento Lunch Boxes with Spoon. This lunch box is an elegant upgrade for the sophisticated child. The muted, stylish colors would work for anyone. This is portioned for bigger kids, with 1 extra large compartment and 3 sides. The leak-proof snap is large and holds securely, although they are difficult to close. The Bizz Bento lunch box comes with its own spoon to make being environmentally friendly even easier. They are microwave and dishwasher safe to make reheating and washing even easier. The latches are on all sides. They are secure, but because of their size, it is almost impossible for your average kindergartner to open it. Unless you have some kind teacher to open the box every time, you might want to skip this for the little ones. Number 2. Yumbox Leakproof Bento Lunch Box. The Yumbox has fun designs in many different styles. It is the more subdued version of the Bentgo. It has a leak-proof latch that is supposed to keep foods from seeping out. You can remove the tray for easy cleanup. The compartments are nicely sized here. Each of the 5 wells can carry 1/2 of a cup of food. The small well is perfect for sauces and dips. This is made from food-grade plastic, making it light and durable. The biggest problem here is that the Yumbox is not entirely leak-proof. It does not have the security to keep certain saucier foods from finding their way out. Number 1. Bentgo Kids Bento Lunch Box. With every box decorated to show off your child's personality with fun colors, Bentgo boxes come with 5 pockets and another small one for dipping sauce. This plastic lunch box is coated with rubber on the outside for when your child inevitably drops it on the floor. It is also leak-proof with latches to keep it totally secure. You can take out the tray and wash it out separately from the box. The one issue here is the size of the compartments. The trays display their bright colors on the borders of the compartments, but the border size takes up a lot of real estate. When your kid moves on to bigger lunches, they might have trouble fitting everything in here. That was our list of the top 5 best bento boxes for kids just for you.